Hi family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Today's video is going to be a clean with me / organize and decorate with me video. In today's video, I'm going to be tackling our laundry room. You guys saw in a previous video that we got our washer and dryer delivered, but we literally just sat it in the room. And ever since then, we've done nothing to the room. The room has literally become a catch-all room. We have just been throwing any and everything in there. But today, that changes. For those of you who have a smaller laundry room or not even a designated laundry room, this video is going to give you major motivation as to how you can set up, clean, organize, and decorate your small laundry room. With that said, let's get right into the video. Alright family, so this is our laundry room. Not much of a room, but it does have some potential. This is what it looks like right now. I just have random things everywhere. This is my handheld vacuum cleaner. This is my steamer. We have some soap, some bleach. We have this random bowl right here. We have some flowers there. There is storage up there, but I don't know why I don't use that. But we're going to change that today. And down here, we have a lot more random stuff. I have a whole bunch of lamps that I'm not using right now. I did get some decor stuff for the laundry room. And we just basically threw it back here. And we just keep a whole lot of random stuff. So as you can see, there's not a lot of space or way to get to the washer dryer. But yes, all of that is going to change right now because I'm going to declutter, clean, and organize this area. So let's get into it. For those of you who are new, I want to say welcome. My name is Mercy. I am an RN BSN, and on this channel, I talk about nursing, lifestyle, beauty. I do a little bit of vlogging. I do some natural hair. I do some clean with me, decorate with me, and I just do a little bit of everything. I like to see my channel as a one-stop shop channel. So if you would like to join my family, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also hit the bell notification so you'll never miss another video. So everything is out. Now we can actually get to the washer dryer. So the top here is completely clean. I'm gonna look up there to see if there's anything there, but that is where we're gonna be storing a lot of the junk that I just took out of here. I also want to put something here for storage. I don't know how that's gonna work out, but I'm gonna try it out and see how that's gonna work out. So let's get going. Family, we have been using this storage unit shelf thing in the garage to store some shoes, but I honestly feel like it's gonna look better in the laundry room. So I'm just gonna go ahead and transfer this into the laundry room to use that for something else. Alright, so we did go ahead and put that shelf in there. That is going to store a lot more of our stuff. I also do have these decorative baskets. I'm gonna go ahead and put them over there. I also have this really nice band that I got from at home, and it has this cute little ropey detail. So I'm just gonna go ahead and set this up here. So what I'm gonna do is, these are laundry detergent packs. These I got from Grove Collaborative. I also have a smaller pack here, and I also have these bags. These are just little plastic bags. They can go in the trash cans, in your bathrooms, or in your kitchen. And then these little fabric conditioners, these are really effective, guys. We actually got these from the Dollar Tree, and you can use this for up to 12 loads, and it just makes your clothes smell really good. So we do tend to get these whenever we go to the Dollar Tree. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm just gonna go ahead and store all that stuff in here so that we'll have them organized and we'll know exactly where to find them when we need them. So I have this sign that says wash your worries away. I'm just gonna go ahead and put that right here. So this is what that looks like, and like I said, this is what the sign says. It says wash your worries away. I love that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and accessorize the rest of the place. The shelves up here are finally organized. We have our laundry detergents in here. I have my Swiffer pads here. I have the solutions here. And then over here, I did go ahead and put the bleach over here. I also put this little basket here just in case we need it. And we're also still able to access our washer dryer, as you can see. And then over here, I just have everything organized. That way I'm able to find the things I need readily without searching all over the place for it. This is a nice little storage area. I'm not sure if I'm going to leave this basket here, but it looks really nice there for now. And then I did go ahead and put this flower here because I have had this flower for a while and I just didn't know where to place it. And it looks really nice in here. The next thing I am thinking of doing is putting a shelf up here, a built-in shelf where I can fold and put stuff on. It's also going to serve as a folding and organizing station. But I do like how open and clean everything looks now. You saw how it looked before. That was not working. But now it actually looks like a laundry room and I'm super excited about that. So since the space is not super huge and we don't have that built-in that I was telling you about, so what I normally do is I have my pressing board. I have one of those foldable ones, so I normally just open it up here, sort my laundry out, press whatever needs to be pressed, fold it up, put it away, and then I go ahead and fold up the pressing board and keep it back here. So that way the whole space is still nice, it's still spacious, and it's still functional. So here is a little before and after, just in case you forgot what the room used to look like. Alright family, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you did like it, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you haven't already joined the family, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and also hit the bell notification so you never miss another one of my videos. Thank you guys again so much for your love and support. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!